So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show my another node which I built just recently. Previous I was built that the high frequency node which I published in nukepedia, and also I making this video in English because I mean, there are many guys out there actually who are from outside India. I am starting this video, okay, and as usual I say to everyone, Jai Siya Ram, Jai MERA BAJRANGBALI. So basically in this shot I make a tool, okay, just for showing purpose I am showing, okay. So I also upload this tool in nukepedia, so you guys can download directly, okay. First of all, I am taking here a tool called soft key which I made recently, and this is a gizmo. Actually I provide you a gizmo, not a group, okay. When you use this tool, okay, what the output of this tool basically, I mean the what is the usage of this tool, as you already seeing the name of this tool. So I just made a tool for just as a simple purpose, as fast as you can guys can take out or extract the soft key from the mat. I mean extracting the details from the from your chroma, okay. How can you use this tool? Just take here the shot. For example, I have this shot. I just take a checkerboard here, okay, and here is a call FG. Just go to this FG, okay. And also first of all, let me fix my format, okay. Now give this BG to BG, okay, and then take a constant. You guys also can take IBK color, like, okay. So I'm not taking IBK color, okay. I'm just taking a constant, and just click here, click the constant, go to the constant properties and click here, okay. Just control, okay. I am not showing the key technique, how to create a key clean plate. I just showing the node usage, okay, how to use this node. So I am taking the reference from here. It is a green constant. Now I'm in the clean plate. Now whenever I just connect this node, it will give like this. Just go to this node. You all guys smart enough to understand how I made this tool, or how can I hope you guys are understanding. Just change this blue to green. If you have green screen, then just pick green. If you have blue, if you have blue skin, then click just blue, and if you have just green skin, just pick this green. I just prefer to give green, okay. You guys can also check this peak also, but I don't showing, okay. I just prefer this one, see green and blue, so I click this green. After this, see the better result here, okay. See how much I am getting this exact details from here. Now just if I increase the saturation, for example, I was getting some little greenish tint, okay. How can I change? I just go to here, display bias, and I just minus this. See, all the green tone is getting cleared. See, you can give the value as you want. You can give more tint also, I mean more minus also. See, but it details will be stored, right? Very good. Now just keep this, okay. Also I added this option also, tint, so that you guys not only remove this peel, also you can just do some color grading, right? If I on this, if I want some warm tone, like if I minus this blue and minus some green, see I'm getting the color tone also, okay. How it looking so good. But obviously, yeah, it's a soft key, so don't use as a I mean don't use this node as a full key or actual key. But you guys can do if you just play around with this. And this is a intensity, basically kind of a mix, okay. You guys can just play around with this also. And also I added this use BG luminance, okay. So it will take the luminance from BG, okay. See, also this BG chroma you can guys on this, so for just letting fine tuning. But I don't prefer, I prefer to just play around with this node. If you need, then you can on all these properties. Now how can you use this? For example, if I take a key mix, okay, so key mix, take a key mix, okay, just give to A this and B to a footage, and just take a roto, okay, like this. Also if you take a full key, okay, now you have to do another key actually, which is your matte, hard matte or soft matte, okay, just like this, okay. If I take this and just minus this, see all my details have gone. Wait, now take a merge and merge it in your footage. Now see, if I don't merge, see, now if you guys just click this, click black, for example, see all the details I am getting from my soft matte, right? See, okay. So this is the purpose of your soft matte, okay. See, right? So basically this is the main purpose of our soft key, okay. So not soft matte, sorry, okay. So every details you guys can get from here, right? And it's not mandatory to have green screen. You can use this in green screen, blue screen, okay, no issue. But yes, only you can use this in chroma shot, okay, only chroma, okay. Now I hope you guys understand how to use this node, okay, manually. And another one, the main thing is that checkerboard thing. See, when I do the key light, I mean sorry, when I do the soft key technique, see my BG is little bit going darker, right? So don't worry, because we as we know, we just use a key mix, right? We use a key mix node and I just take a particular part from here, right? So obviously play around with this node, okay, not an issue. You can take like another grade node down here, just do some color grading, I mean leave the blacks or just exposure up, no issue. Multiple things you guys can do, right? Just play around with this node. I hope you guys will get the exact result, I mean the better result. See all the details come. See, I will provide this node, okay, so use this, okay, and I will provide this gizmo. So how to install this node, I am also showing this. Just go to desktop and just copy this and come to your this PC option, go to this PC program files and just go to your version, I mean I go to nuke folder and just go to this plugin folder and just here just copy paste, Ctrl C Ctrl V and then continue. After continuing this, come to nuke, okay. Now I am deleting from here, okay, I delete all these things. Now go to this option and go to all plugins, update. Now if you type soft key, see now it's getting my tool set, right? But if I go and just update one time, now if I type here soft key, now see it's become S, right? Soft key, this one I get this one and this is workable, right? I hope you understand, right? So this is a way you can also install gizmo, okay. Just you need to go and update your plugins, all plugins, okay. Also I hope you guys seen this gizmo before, which I made the high frequency like this only. So it's a very useful node, okay. Just download this and also please download the older version 1.3. just go to the nukepedia, come to the older version tab and download 1.3 of this node, okay, version, and there is a zip folder. And for this node you can guys take the menu and PY init PY file. Just see the video which I posted in LinkedIn also. Just check that video, okay. Just copy paste the init and PY file text init and the menu file text to your default init and menu file of the .nuke folder, okay. Just copy paste the text. So if you guys like this node and the users of this node, so please follow my YouTube channel. And also if you guys need help for installation the node or any regarding of this gizmos which I making for now, contact me in my number given in the description. Please check that, okay. If I need help, I hope you guys like this video. Please share this video to other guys, okay. Also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you. And before ending this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Siya Ram, Jai MERA, BAJRANGBALI.